Hello, welcome to my channel. Max 2A Chapter 2 Exercise 2B. In this video, I have solved the problems of first Roman, first bit 1, 2, 3. Now let us proceed with the further problems. First Roman, first bit, fourth question. Let x equals to minus 16 to the power 1 by 4. Therefore, consider z equals to minus 16. This is just a number, therefore this is a real part. If we remove the point p x1 x comma y, we get it as minus 16 comma 0. Here x is negative and y is 0, therefore the point lies on the negative direction of x-axis. Therefore angle is 180 degree, that is pi. Therefore theta is equals to pi. R, that is the modulus of z, root of x square plus y square minus 16 whole square, which is equals to 16. Now we are writing the modulus amplitude form, which is equals to minus 16, which is equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta. R is nothing but 16. 16 into cos pi plus I sin pi. Now we will raise to power 1 by 4. Raising to the power 1 by 4, we get it as minus 16 to the power 1 by 4 equals to 16 to the power 1 by 4 into cos 2k pi plus pi plus I sin 2k pi plus pi power 1 by 4. Now 16 is nothing but 2 to the power 4. We are writing 16 as 2 to the power 4 here. Therefore minus 16 to the power 1 by 4 will be equals to 2 to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4 into cos 2k pi plus pi into 1 by 4 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi into 1 by 4. Now this can be cancelled here, 4, so we will be left with 2 cos 2k pi plus pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 4. This is nothing but x, minus 16 to the power 1 by 4. Now as it is raised to the power 1 by 4, we will consider 4 values of k from 0, which will be equals to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So when k is equals to 0, we get x as 2 into cos. 2 into 0 is 0, so we will be left with cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, which is equals to cis pi by 4, 2 cis pi by 4. Then when k is equals to 1, x will be equals to 2 cos 2 1s are 2, so 2 pi plus pi, 3 pi by 4 you will get here, plus I sin 3 pi by 4, which is equals to cis 3 pi by 4. When k is equals to 2, x will be equals to 2 into cos 2 2s are 4, 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 4 plus I sin 5 pi by 4, which is equals to 2 cis 5 pi by 4. Then the last value, that is k is equals to 3, then x will be equals to 2 cos 2 3s are 6, so 7 pi by 4 plus I sine 7 pi by 4, which is equals to 2 cis 7 pi by 4. Therefore, x is equals to 2 cis pi by 4, comma 2 cis 3 pi by 4, 2 cis 5 pi by 4, 2 cis 7 pi by 4. So we have got the 4 values of x. This is the answer. In the similar way, you can solve the fifth question. So in this way you can solve the fifth problem.